Hey guys, I've been getting a lot of comments recently asking about how I can open a door, so I'll answer. The first thing you need to keep in mind is your hand position. You want to make sure that your thumb completely covers the doorknob. This will allow the rest of your fingers to naturally rest on the knob, get a nice firm grasp and twist. So twisting. Oh yeah, the door is locked at the moment. In case you didn't know, doors have locks on them sometimes. So there's the main knob, but then there's also this smaller knob. I'm going to take the smaller knob and twist. It's not going left, which means it must go right. There we go. Now the door is in an unlocked state, which means it can be opened. So remember, thumb over the knob, nice firm grasp, and twist. You want to make sure that the knob is twisted all the way before you start opening the door, or else the door just won't open. So nice and easy, nice and gentle, pull the door open. There we go. Now, this ending part people get wrong all the time, so make sure you pay attention. You want to make sure that there's no obstacles in the way. You want to make sure that there's a clear path through the threshold of the door. So it looks like there's no obstacles here, which means we just take a few steps and now we're through the door. If you have any more questions about this, please leave them down in the comments below and make sure you leave a like.